Even as, say, India is now made it clear that Pakistani nationals cannot be in the country, and so you're seeing deportations taking place, a very clear message being sent across that a Shaurya Chakra awardee's mother will stay on. Now, this even as there were questions about whether the mother of Mudassir Sheikh, Shamima, will also be deported, but she's made it clear that no, she will not be deported. She is staying on in India. Remember, the Mudassir Sheikh was granted the Shaurya Chakra after he foiled a terror strike, died fighting terror. He got the Shaurya Chakra posthumously, so his parents were given the Shaurya Chakra on his behalf. And there were questions about whether his mother, Shamima Akhtar, would be deported. She's made it very clear that no, she will stay on. Let's bring in Kamaljeet Sandhu, joining us live from Pahalgam with more on this. Kamaljeet, who can forget those images from 2022 when you had Mudassir's parents receiving the Shaurya Chakra on his behalf? He, of course, so bravely foiled that terror strike, and so only fitting that his parents live on in India.
Well, Government of India showing magnanimity. 159 nationals of Pakistani origin were taken via buses by Jammu Kashmir authorities towards Atari Wagah border, the only border route open to send back all the Pakistani nationals who've been staying here. Shamima Akhtar was supposed to be one of them. Remember, in May 2022, Constable Mudassir had actually died, laid down his life. He was declared as a martyr. But then thereafter, we also saw Shamima Akhtar, who was married to a police officer. This is way before the militancy or the terrorism actually started in Kashmir Valley. And thereafter, what we know is soon after the encounter, we also saw Union Home Minister visit the house, meet Shamima Akhtar. Now, as a gesture towards her, she's been allowed to stay back, while the other who are of Pakistani nationality are being sent back by Atari Wagah border. Goes to say a lot. In fact, there was some sort of a clarification coming in from the family. Thereafter, we also saw Shamima issue a video statement where she's clarified that she's not going to Pakistan. She's going to stay put in India.
All right, Kamaljeet, thanks very much for joining us with those details.